The Clever Antelope. Once, an antelope lived in a forest. It had a favorite tree whose fruits it used to eat every day. A hunter also used to hunt in that same area. One day, the hunter saw the antelope eating fruits from his favorite tree. After that, the hunter observed the antelope for a few more days. He guessed that unlike the other animals, this antelope ate fruits from that tree only. He decided to trap the antelope. He laid out some fruits under the tree, placed his trap under it, and waited for the antelope. The antelope came to the tree as usual, but it was surprised to find so many fruits scattered around. Suddenly, it saw the trap and understood everything. It also realized that the hunter was nearby. So it exclaimed, "My tree is behaving strangely today, so I will go to another tree today." Saying so, it ran away. The Minister and the Goat's Dry Dung. A king had a very talkative minister. Once he started talking, no one could say a word. The king was fed up of him and wanted to teach him a lesson. Now, there was a man who was a wonderful marksman. The king came to know about him. He went to the man and said, "I have a very talkative minister. Do you think you could stop his talking?" The man replied, "Yes, I can." The next day, the marksman stood behind a curtain with a pea shooter full of a goat's dry dung. Soon the minister came to the king and started talking. Quickly, the marksman shot the pellets of the goat's dung. The minister swallowed down the pellets. The king remarked to the minister, "You were so busy talking that you swallowed the goat's dung." The minister was too embarrassed to say anything. After that, he never opened his mouth to speak. The king rewarded the marksman generously. The price of disobedience. Once a merchant and his wife were very religious. They had a son who never prayed or performed any religious duties. One day, his mother sent him to a temple to listen to a saint's sermons. She hoped that listening to the sermons would change him. She also promised to give him money if he went there. The son, of course, went to the temple, but he slept throughout the sermon. The next day, when the son came back home, his mother gave him the money as she had promised. She thought her son would invite the saint to their house, but he did no such thing. Instead, after getting the money, he decided to go abroad for business. His mother pleaded with him not to go, but he went off. But as his ship was in the midst of the sea, a violent storm shook the sea. The ship sank, and so did the sun. Thus, he paid the price of not listening to his mother. The Great Ascetic. Once, a baby was born in a family of Brahmins. This baby was very illustrious. The baby turned into a very educated man in time. One day, he renounced the world and became an ascetic. He performed heavy penances. The stories of his penances and dedication spread everywhere. God also heard about them. He wanted to test the ascetic. He tested the ascetic in many ways. There were times when the ascetic was left with nothing to eat, as God used to disguise himself and beg for alms. The ascetic would give away whatever food he had. But despite the hardships, the ascetic remained calm. Finally, after putting the ascetic through many hardships, God appeared before him. He said to the ascetic, "Ask me for any boon." The ascetic said, "Please bless me so that I may not sway from my path." God was very pleased and blessed him and disappeared. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.